This is a bit different. It is Christmas, and we couldn't just not do something for Christmas. So we're switching it up today.
Yeah, I see Santa. He's back there.
Santa's right there, just so you know.
We see him, we spot him.
And the reason we're all aglow is we're next to these big ornaments.
Giant lights.
Giant lights. But we're gonna roll the intro, share a couple of thoughts about Christmas, and yeah, I think we'll have some good times and share with you where we're at and why we're around all these wonderful lights. Ready?
I think so.
Roll the intro.
A man and a woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it up.
Right. Here's where we're at. We're in Charleston, South Carolina. Did I get it right?
You did.
I don't ever get that right. So we are.
They do a festival of lights, so we just came out to see what that looked like.
Yes, and it's actually pretty cool. We did the drive-through, then we came in, we didn't realize that there was going to be like s'more stations and Santa and Mrs. Claus over here reading stories.
Yes,
It's a little nostalgic.
Yeah, yep.
So we're hoping that you're having a wonderful holiday, and we were just reminiscing a little bit as we were walking through, doing some thinking on what the season means to us being on the road.
It's different. I mean, it's been different, but I think we've enjoyed it.
Yes.
But what it reminds us is that, like, maybe you have somebody that's hard to shop for on your list, and we just wanted you to think about, don't put so much pressure on yourself about the perfect gift.
No.
Just to experience life together.
Yeah, I mean, spending time together is what the holidays is all about, making the memories with those people around you. So that's why it's really important. And as we were sitting here thinking, taking pictures and looking at all the lights, we thought back to an experience we had with Les, Sheila's dad. If you're new to the channel, Sheila's dad passed away a couple years ago, and this is one of the reasons we're on this adventure. So this made us think back to when he wanted to live out something he's always wanted to do.
Well, my dad was a huge Elvis fan, and so for his birthday, actually the year that he passed away, I told him, let's just go. So we just went down to Graceland because it's something that he'd always wanted to see, and it definitely meant a lot to be able to do that with him.
And it was a really cool time. We did shoot some video footage back from there, so if you've ever wondered what
Graceland is like,
in the winter and during Christmas, we thought we'd just share a little bit about that with you. Did I say that even? I didn't share a little bit.
I think we just wanted to share it with you because some of you might have been or might be a great Elvis fan as well. And we didn't go as Elvis fans, but I think we left with a big respect and appreciation for his life.
It was an amazing experience. If you get a chance to go to Graceland, our video is kind of corny because I was shooting a lot of it on our cell phone, but I think you'll really appreciate that, and kind of captures building the memories with those you love and taking advantage of the situation of being in the moment. And I think that's one of the things we look forward to the most about the holidays. So with that being said, it being Christmas, let's share a little backstory and let you see some of that, and we'll come back and wrap it up.
Sounds good.
All right. I said 1 and 2. All right. Come on. Take it all the way home. I said 1 and 2.
Welcome to today's experience. We're at Elvis Presley's Graceland Mansion.
All right. Feel me, baby. You know it's right. Oh, that's right. Ooh, that's all.
like we just went through a time capsule. Wasn't it? Like a time capsule? Crazy. I was blown away. I had no idea he did 31 movies. I had no idea he did over 700 songs. 140 of them went to top 10. Most of them were #1. Billions of records sold. It's mind-boggling on what he actually did in his lifetime. I don't know, I came here not expecting to enjoy it, I guess. Maybe my expectations were it wasn't going to be that big of a deal. And it truly is. It was very awe-inspiring what one man did in his lifetime and what he's remembered for and how he impacted so many people even to this day.
Everything glistens and everything's bright. Everyone's happy and spirits are light.
I think this is an appropriate way to end things. Next to Santa Claus. That's so Christmassy. That's fabulous. We hope you enjoyed that little nostalgia. I just stepped on Sheila's foot.
You sure did.
That's so normal. But we hope you enjoyed that. I mean, that's really, it was a meaningful time for us, and we were glad to share that.
You know, I think that all the things that we just want you to take away from is you don't know this Christmas who's going to be at your table next Christmas. So take the pictures, do video. You know, there's many times I'm like, oh, I got so tired of years of Todd having the camera in our face. And now I just really look back on those, and those are just special memories that you've captured for our family. And so you don't know, you know, if your aunt's going to be there next year for Thanksgiving. That one year we went and celebrated. We went to Memphis for my dad. What he wanted to do for his birthday. We had a new baby born in the family, so Dad came into town. We went out to the cider mill, and then we celebrated Thanksgiving, and that was it. That was the last holiday we had together. So you just never know, and we just want you to cherish those memories with your people.
And along with that, we're cherishing our time with you guys because this year we started out alone, and which was crazy to think about. We hit the road all by ourselves, and then out of nowhere, you guys, Switch Crew, have come alongside, and we've got to share some amazing memories with you. Yeah. So not just Christmas, but looking into 2022, and just we're so very thankful that you guys have come along with us and blessed to have in our lives.
We made some new friendships, and we have some new people in our journey, and it means a lot to us. So we just want to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas. We hope that you take the stress out of the holidays and not worry about the gifts, but just enjoy the people that you're with, and
remember the reason for the season.
Yep, and just count your blessings and hang on to those moments.
Yeah. So, Merry Christmas. Have a fun time. And the best thing that I could possibly say right now is, we're out.
Every minute, each hour.